Hello guys, so today I'll talk about something which is very relevant to the people who have just graduated. So recently in the past 2 months, since April, I have been getting certain queries from students who have just passed out, or maybe people who have 1 or 2 years of experience. So what is the question is that what to do next in the career, how to upskill myself in as a business analyst, or some role which is similar to that, and what all certifications to do, like as if certifications are, I do understand like certifications do play some role, where some organizations consider some very uh, niche certifications to be a part of their recruitment process. They may prefer, but so far whatever I have seen is that a person's experience, a person's skills, and even education, they are far more important than what all certifications they have done. But still, I will not demotivate anyone not to do any certification. Go for it. So for example, related to business analyst role, there are product owner certifications from Scrum, like the certifications of Scrum Master also is very kind of relevant to the role. But it's not like if you do that prior to joining, or or you are just started your career. It depends like what is your interest. So study for those certifications, that is more important. Join those groups which are there online, maybe on LinkedIn, or if there is some WhatsApp group or somewhere, if you find like-minded people, so join those groups and try to see like what all they are doing, what all, how is the market. You can, anyways, Google is there, you can just go to the news and search how the market is doing. And depending on the sector you will be working or you are working currently, so you can study those sectors. Also the other sectors also you can, for example, if you are in banking, finance, you can go for that. If you are in maybe energy sector, you can try to understand what is happening in that. That is how you can analyze those industries. And if you have those kind of knowledge which will enhance your skills and which will be added to your experience and kind of equivalent or even far more than the certifications you will do. So you will at the end, the goal of the or objective of any certification, what is that? It helps the other person understand that this guy who has done this certification has studied for that, has knowledge for that, has skills for that, if implemented. So that's it for today. I'll come up with something else if I get some more point of views on, or some more queries which I'll try to answer. Bye bye.